Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful and super delicious pastry snacks. They're so easy to make, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes. So let's get started. You will need some puff pastry sheet, then some cheese squares. I've used mozzarella squares and some cheddar squares. Put the cheese on top of the puff pastry. If you like my recipe, please press the like button. It helps me so much. And also subscribe to my channel because I post new recipes every day. Now you're gonna put some ham. I've used ham, but if you don't like it, you can use salami or just leave it as it is with just cheddar cheese. Now cut it in half, then in squares, and then in half again. In the end, you need to cut them in little triangles, just like that. Then you're gonna roll up the triangle into this cute little croissant. Place in an oven tray. Now this is optional, but if you want that nice beautiful color on the top, you're gonna need 1 egg yolk, just 2 or 3 little tablespoons of milk. Just mix it all, and you're gonna brush the little croissants. Then you're gonna put some poppy seeds or some sesame seeds, some rock salt, or just if you don't like any of them, just leave it as it is and still gonna be super delicious. Then you're gonna bake them at 200 Celsius, that will be 390 Fahrenheit, for about 10-12 minutes. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what do you think about my recipe.